All right, I'm going to do one of these problems. This is the one off the review. I'm going to do this to show you the process because yesterday I just didn't have access to this. So I'm going to show you this process and then I can do another example if we need to, and that's not a problem. Okay, so this is the problem that's number 12 on the review. And so the first step that I would do is I would think about, well, each one of these numbers has factors. And so 6, for example, is 2 times 3. And I'm going to take that to the 4th power because I'm just rewriting the problem. I'm not doing anything, I'm not changing it. 12 is 3 times 4, so I'm going to write the 4 as 2 squared times 3, and that's to the 3rd power. And then 5 doesn't simplify, 5 is just 5. Oops, but it should be 5 squared, not 5 to the 5th. Okay, then we divide, and we look at what's in the denominator. Okay, in the denominator, I have 9. Well, 9 is 3 squared, and then the whole thing is squared based on that little 2 on the outside. 8 is 2 cubed, and I take that to the 2nd power, and then I have a 5. Okay? Alright, so now, looking and making this, I'm going to simplify. I'm going to go through all the steps. So, simplify, and keeping everything equal, I have a 2 to the 4th power. So I'm just going to write that down. 2 to the 4th, 3 to the 4th. Now here I have 2 squared. Right here I have 2 squared to the 3rd power. So you multiply the exponents. So that's 2 to the 6th, 3 cubed, and then 5 squared. Then in the denominator I have 3 squared quantity squared. So that's 3 to the 4th. And I have 2 to the 3rd squared, so that's 2 to the 6th times 5. Okay, now at this point you have a couple options. Like I could cancel things that are equivalent. For example, I have a 2 to the 6th and a 2 to the 6th. Well, we know when we divide by the same number, those are 1. 2 to the 6th divided by 2 to the 6th is 1, so that's good. We can just delete that. I also have a 3 to the 4th and 3 to the 4th. So I can go ahead and eliminate those just because they divide out to be 1. So when I look at what's left right now, I have 2 to the 4th, 3 cubed, and then I have this 5 squared and 5. Well, we know from one of our rules of exponents that we just subtract. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is our answer. We would just leave it as a prime number because I'm not having you guys use calculators, so I just use it as the product of primes, and I think that would be good. Okay? Alright, so there's one example. Now if you want another example, you just let me know and I will make you one.